How to move app icon anywhere in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back to your screen and then press and hold on any app. So you press and hold on blank space, and then if you want to move this app anywhere, then simply drag this app to another screen like that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.